For example, I saw your presentations on trying to connect using a cable car, mobile car, and something like that. I think that will be one of the things that will be useful. For example, in connecting the MRT, this is one of the things that I think. The MRT until the last stop in Lebak Bulus, you can build a tower there and connecting your facility with all the areas in the south, which is, if you see in the morning and in the afternoon, it was like from that point will require 2 hours to get home. So now with the MRT, it's people only need 30 minutes, but the problem is actually in the suburban of Jakarta. So with this technology, I think we can try to see how to solve the issue of traffic congestion in the suburb of Jakarta. I don't know whether you are also interested to connect between the skyscrapers in Jakarta, which for sure will require a little bit more technologies, but you're welcome to try. Our member is here for sure ready to see the potential collaboration between you and in time to bring this. But cable cars, this technology is, I think, one of the things that if you see there are three things that need to be for sure to be studied further. Yeah. Number one, for sure, the technical capabilities. How it's technically feasible. The second one, for sure, from financial feasibility. For sure, you need to compare it with other intervention. And the number three is with the policy of the government, which this is something that ITS Indonesia will have some rules, because we are working closely with the government of Indonesia and government of Jakarta and government of other city. ITS Indonesia is not just working in Jakarta, but we are also working in Bali. We are also working in the new capital of Nusantara, and we are also working in the other cities like Makassar in Sumatra. So there are also, if you see Bali, for example, there are potentials to build this facility. You come to Ubud, and then you will see the need for this facility, for example, because Ubud now, the town center of Ubud is very crowded, and then with the hilly place, it's something that offer this kind of facility. In IKN, the new capital of Nusantara, for sure, this is something that of interest of our minister, and for sure, this is something that might be the interest of the of authority on trying to see. So again, there are a lot of opportunity to collaborate, and hopefully by signing the MOU with your party this afternoon, it open potential collaboration in trying to work together in building the collaboration with in trying to improve mobility of Indonesia, of the country. To the members, teman-teman ITS Indonesia, saya ucapkan terima kasih banyak atas partisipasinya. Teman-teman, Pak Dian is the VP here, and with Pak David and Pak Klik, Ibu siapa tadi itu? Bu Weni. Satu persatu, I don't mention the name ya. Ibu Ani, Pak Yoga, ya. Pak Andi Kwendo, ya. It's all the members. Yeah, this is all the board of ITS Indonesia. It is very active. We are hosting ITS Asia Pacific Forum in April 2024, and do hope that if we can see something concrete that we can do before that, that will be useful there will be something that we can demonstrate, that there will be a collaboration between the country, Dubai and Jakarta, or Dubai and Indonesia, or United Arab Emirates and Indonesia, that we can realize. So again, thank you, and then look forward to potential collaboration, concrete potential collaboration between our members and the US government. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. William, for the welcoming speech. And now we would like to welcome Mr. Oleg Zaretsky, the CEO of Discovery DMCC, to give remarks and brief presentation of Discovery DMCC and Unitsky String Technologies. Dear Mr. Oleg, the time is yours.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me express my great appreciation for this opportunity to make a memorandum of understanding with ITS. And what I want to say that Dr. Unitsky and his technologies, they will be in the highest demand in Indonesia. First of all, from all points, we consider and we are sure that our technology is the most ecological, the most economical, and the safest technology that is available in the world now. And that is why we need Indonesia, and I'm sure that Indonesia needs us. Because I want to say something about this memorandum and cooperation with ITS from different aspects. First of all, of course, the advantage of bringing technology to Indonesia, I think this is the mutually beneficial cooperation. The second, we are very much interested in cooperation with other companies that are under umbrella of ITS. And we are ready to subcontract a lot of jobs, engineering, technological jobs, to the partners of ITS, in sense of developing software, in sense of different. Even if we have the project, even rolling stock, we can produce in Indonesia using partners of ITS in their facilities. So actually, the cooperation horizon is huge, and the potential is huge, and only one thing that we have to do, we have to collect all our courtesy, we have to collect all our professionalism in order to bring these plans to life. This is, of course, the most important. And what I want to say that it's very easy to start with Unitsky String Technology, but you can't believe there is no end to this cooperation. We can start with what you rightly mentioned, last mile solution for the metro station or connection of some rural areas to this metro station. This is the first. The second, we have technology for connecting cities with super speed transport. We have technology of connecting islands between themselves. So to connect Sumatra and Java, maybe now it looks like little fantastic, but it is real. It is from engineering in technical point, it is possible. So we have to start with small, but we have to target great, and we have to reach great targets. And I am sure that all together we will be able to do this. Thank you very much. And sorry. And one more thing, that on behalf of Dr. Unitsky, I want to present to President his book about his life. He has written this book and all his history of his life, how he came to his inventions and to his technologies. He asked me to present it personally to you, sir, and I wish you to read it attentively, because it's not only technical and historical, it is mostly philosophical ideas how to improve our, not life only our companies or our countries, how to improve the life of the whole civilization, how to save our planet, and how to make our life better.
The engineer.
Yes. So the brand of Dr. Unitsky is a new world engineer, the engineer that creates a new world. And actually his philosophy, all his experience, all his life experience, starting with his childhood and ending with our project in UAE and other projects, it is there. It's a very good book, and by the way, it's interesting just to read it.
Thank you, Mr. Oleg, for your presentation. You may stay for a while. Mr. William, also, you can move behind the signing desk because we are about to continue on the signing ceremony. All right, Mr. William and Mr. Oleg, you can start signing the document.
So you are signing here.
Where is this one?
Yeah, you read this time. Put it to your sign to this time.
You can exchange the document and sign the other one. All right, Sir and Madam, Memorandum of Understanding between ITS Indonesia and Discovery, the MCC, has finally signed. Let's give a round of applause. Guests and media are welcome to take a documentation of this moment. You can show the document, sir? Yes.
Coming closer.
We also invite Mr. Kalik, Mr. Resdiansyah, Mr. David, Miss Weni, Mr. Dahl, Mr. Sami, and Mr. Edwin to come upon the signing area and take a photo together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3. All right, Mr. William and Mr. Oleg, please have a moment for ITS Indonesia to hand Unitsky String Technologies a placard.
Mantap.
Please stay on for a while again. Okay, let's take a photo once more.
ITS Indonesia. Symbol of partnership between ITS.
Sir and Madam, we have finally reached the end of the ceremony. We sincerely hope this MOU will remark a good start of collaboration that will be impactful and beneficial for all parties, especially the public in both countries. We wouldn't be able to pull this off without you, so thank you for all your time, considerations, and efforts to make all of this happen. Thank you.
Oh maaf Mas, dari kita sih pasti suka bawa ke kota Makassar solusi sama solusi yang lain kan. Jadi teknologi. Iya, kereta ini. Sebutannya bukan kereta gantung, bisa lihat tadi. Videonya yang kereta play yang kemarin ada keretanya pakai motor listrik lah itu. Sebutannya bakal di Jakarta ya. Sama
yang presentation atau yang city transport?
Mana-mana ini kalau kita lihat apa? Kereta gantung.
No, ini bukan
Betul, apa betul saya.
suspended rail.
Oh,
Jadi suspended rail, dia rail tapi dia dibungkus dengan baja pre-stress. Nah itu.
Nah, itu ya.
Jadi dia maksudnya ranahnya rail bukan string.
Bukan string ya.
Nah, jadi dia bukan cable car.
Rail, suspended rail.
So it means that I educated you now well, yeah?
Yes. Oh, yeah. I'm explaining bahasa and you know.
Suspended rail. Suspended train, enggak suspended rail.
They want to show your video.
Mr. Oleg, do you want us to show your video?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
Then we can watch the video together.
Lampunya nggak digelapin? Oh nggak. Memangnya berbeda efek. Itu maksudnya pakai rel di atas berarti. Iya.
Yes.
Yang menarik itu investment itu
Sepertiga dari MRT. Hanya $9 juta per
Kilometer.
9 juta dolar per
Gimana coy?
Bahkan lebih murah lagi.
Kalau MRT, LRT berapa?
LRT itu kan sekitar 500 M. Ya, kalau 9 juta berarti
Cuma
still expensive.
150 M.
Still expensive.
Betul, $9 juta per kilometer.
10 juta lah. 150 miliar lah.
Kalau di bawah 100 kalau
Kalau mau dari feeder.
coba dilihat ya.
Ya kalau makin panjang mungkin makin murah pasti.
Kemarin yang bilang 150 siapa? Ada.
iya sekitar
$9 sampai $9.
9
Sampai $10 juta.
Itu LRT.
Oh, ini.
kapasitas
Ini $9 juta.
kapasitas cek berapa?
Jam bisa bisa 50.000 penumpang per kilometer.
iya
Per jam.
$9 juta per kilometer.
Sekitar berapa puluh?
ini nanti ada karena speednya tinggi.
Send me, we will record photos. Yeah, let's say the maximum, the price for
Anggap aja kita pernah 2.000 om.
the maximum.
The
city. Maximum 26 million dollars.
5.000 per jam.
Maximum up to 30 million dollars. Depending on, but it will not be like that. It is like AC buildings instead of station to have the whole buildings. Then all this will come to the price. But we can do it. The cheapest one, $10 million per kilometer. 10 million. Yes, it can. It can be from 10 to 30 million dollars. Let's go like this. You can say the. He asking about the price. Let's go make another video next
Kamu
time.
pandang aja tuh yang stasiun terakhir ke JIS aja bisa.
Iya.
Ya kan?
Iya. Jadi kalau
Oh, next.
nanti yang
Sunday.
Ancol, di Mangga 2, itu kan kita udah semua. Daerah pusat
dia
perbelanjaan.
bisa dari gedung
Here is
tidur.
more like visualization. But
Lihatin
let's
yang
see.
aslinya aja Sami. Sami yang asli
Iya.
originalnya Sami.
Originalnya.
Yang di Dubai. Yang sudah tadi kan cuma instalasi.
Yang udah ada.
Yeah, this is the real
Belarus.
video.
Oh, ini Belarus. Oh, ya, Belarus.
Yes, this is the real video. It's not visualization. We have machines for 4, for 6, for 48. So depending on the.
Belarus juga udah.
Makanya mau ke Dubai.
This is the real video.
Coba dicatat.
This is 46. 48.
Belarus.
This is the
Connecting with
This is inside our facility. Now we are building in Belarus the first commercial project. It's more for tourists. It's around 2 kilometers. Slowly. Now our engineers in Salvador, we are starting the project in Sansanar. This is the rails. They are based on pre-stressed bridges. So we are of course much cheaper than not much, not 50%.
Oh iya ya.
3 times.
Oh, 4 times.
Of course. Again, it depends on what mainly the price depends on the station. What kind of stations do they want? Do they want the whole building like 4-story building? This is industrial station. This is Korea. It's very
How
special.
long is the construction? Will take time. Can we try one in Jakarta? Yeah. It's like just it's a pilot initiative.
Ya, Bandung kan Jawa Barat juga mau.
Demonstration efeknya kalau di Jakarta pasti banyak karena kayak langsung harus connect langsung, jadi pakai
Dari last mile.
last mile-nya.
Yang mana yang tadi 50 sih? Kayak 50 ke mana gitu.
Tapi siapanya kota yang duluan?
Yang paling siap sih PIK, Pak. PIK itu kan siap tuh, PIK. PIK itu ramai padat tuh.
Iya. PIK dari mana?
Swasta lagi kan?
Iya.
Ajak ke sana, ajak ke Agung Sedayu harusnya nih.
Boleh.
Karena mereka kesulitan ngatur mobil
And
di
it is
jalan.
autonomous, no drivers. Always controlled by the machine. This is for
PIK dari mana ke mana?
bulk loads.
Iya, dari ujung PIK yang lama ke yang baru, Pak. Itu kan tempat makan tuh, Pak.
Rame ya?
By the sea. Macet itu, Pak.
Di atas kelihatan.
Jadi Pak itu right hand Pak, apa namanya? Makan sana.
This is UAE. This is from one building to another. Like passenger station and depot. And this line, it is certified approved by government. So if you come tomorrow, you will ride. And this we are building now, January, a line for container and heavy buses. 2.4
High speed transfer.
This is the super speed, yeah, high speed transport, 500 kilometers per hour. And this is between two cities. And we are participating in tender in Dubai. So
Dubai is planning to have this.
yes, 16 kilometers more. We are in tender, and if you go to site RTA, it's Minister of Transport of Dubai, Road Transport Authority. They participated in Germany in the trans exhibition this year in September, and they put in the middle of their stand our machine. So with our logo, with everything. So I know that they have done already. I hope that in Dubai.
Banggakan efek kan udah bilang besok. Gak cocok soalnya Jakarta kan banjir. Banjir gitu, bikin aja.
PIK itu one of the
potential tuh. Agung Sedayu kalau diajak mau dia ningkatin dia punya properti. Iya, $10 juta buat dia kan nggak buat propertinya naik berapa triliun kan.
dan ini narik orang karena
Narik orang. Atraksi baru lah.
Jadi tourism ini
Paling 3 kilo di situ. Dua ya dari ujung-ujung kan.
In accordance with the project requirement.
Nggak ada lagi video pada banyak tadi. Habis. Oh, udah 2 doang ya?
Oh, cuma 2 aja.
Black Adam nggak ada Black Adam.
Cuma ada 2.
Oh, cuma 2 ada ya masih. Hah? Masih ada kayak suara.
Carl, you have flash this.
Yeah.
So and the price, of course, it's difficult now to say the price per kilometer, but let's start from Dubai Metro. In Wikipedia, you can find the price for 1 kilometer of Dubai Metro is $140 million. Okay, it's a lot. Dubai tram, Alstom French tram, $85 million per kilometer. And the most expensive solution, is
Bisa di play lagi, ada video lagi di sini.
around 25 million.
What do you wanna play?
Oh,
Yes.
three
More? I give just 2 video. So there's more and video.
Okay. Stations, control system, everything. We are yeah.
Suspended legs. Okay. Yes. Coba use kayak kartu.
Yes, if you count in Indonesia, you will see that MRT will cost, including machines, stations, and rails, will be around 50 million. 50.
Nah dari situ
You can check.
naik MRT, LRT.
Including machines, everything. 50. But I think that more. So I am very concerned. This is containers. This is solution for decongestion of port. Creating inland terminals containers to avoid heavy trucks coming into the city. This is exactly what we are doing now in China. 1.4 kilometers. Soon you in United Arab Emirates. Exactly this line. With the same rails, with the same machines, and the same.
Lihat kemacetannya di situ aja. Jangan di Jakarta lagi.
It's very economical, electrical. Then we have concept to develop engineering concept of offshore port.
Sampai Cikarang ya, Pak?
Dan teknologi operatornya nggak perlu ini jauh pelabuhannya itu di tengah laut bisa buat pelabuhan di tengah laut.
And the same machine can be used for 40 and 20 foot containers. So just.
You have team in Indonesia, right? You have team in Jakarta.
Yes, we have some.
Siapa? Mereka punya tim di Indonesia kan? Jadi bisa Sami sama Pak Edwin. Nah, tim regional ini. Saya udah bilang harus ke kantor di Jakarta.
Dari awal aja mungkin ya Pak.
This even CNN American. It visited us and it has shown us this wonder in our way. So each machine can travel up to 150 kilometers per hour.
It's you.
Familiar face.
That's the whole point. It's you.
It looks younger.
Yeah, because time is flying.
Greenery, pedestrian, and walkways. That's the developing parts that cargo sih cargo yang sini.
So your voice is same.
Voice is the same.
Well, it's about you.
Yeah.
We are given materialism to people. And I think that this is very important.
The pots.
We want to end those commercial contracts before the end of this year. So 2023, 2024, we will be in the city. Yeah? Just like this?
Yeah.
Jakarta.
Great.
And maybe
Iya kan?
presentation. Yes. No, not video. PDF.
Oh, oke.
PDF ada.
Yang tadi Bapak kirim ya Pak.
Because we developed one.
Remember the one you wait.
Bapak ya.
Ini ya.
Orangnya di sini ya.
Kita beberapa kali nawarin shuttle ke mereka, karena mereka pikir ini udah macet nih. Tapi terasa shuttle nggak bisa ngejawab kemacetan juga ya.
Poin aja.
Kalau ini nama macet. Berapa banget ya.
Ini juga.
Jadi
So this is the Dr.
area baru,
Unitsky.
satu titik, area lama.
Iya,
Gitu.
udah.
Nah di sini feedernya ya.
Feeder di tengah, main di bawah.
Pakai bus atau apa gitu kan,
Iya.
elektrik vehicle boleh kan, teropot. Tapi kalau
Hah?
Antartik.
Ini tadi saya bilang, karena big benar. Mereka lagi ada budget buat bangun.
So this is Dr. Unitsky and his ideas that transport should be the solution to problems, not their source. And this is right, because many times when we try to do solution for something, at the same time we creating problems for another problems. So go ahead, please. And just, yes, this is by the way how machines can be connected to train. And of course, when we go above the jungles, we don't need to cut trees. We can go above, we don't need to create some
embankments, and we don't need to buy land from people. So it means that people can grow rice below without any problem.
For the span, how many meters?
Span could be from 50 up to 1,000 meters, depending on the height, depending on the deflection, depending on the load. So, but usually, for example, in Sharjah, even for container line, we have span 400 meters between supporting towers. Please, Marat.
Next slide.
Yeah, just next slide. Yeah, this is what is our system. So, of course, it is very green because it's minimum land irrigation, no emissions. Electrical, it's safe because there is no interaction with traffic. It goes by itself. And if I have crossing, I may just do it in different levels. So go ahead. Yeah, this is the new capital.
You met with the chairman of the new capital already?
Not yet.
Mari ketemu ya?
Belum ketemu karena kan harus member ITS dulu.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have to be a member of ITS Indonesia.
You have to.
Integrate it.
Sambil proses
Saya
member of
as the member,
ITS.
and then you can facilitate with
Yes, because you see, this is the idea how to apply all our technologies to new capital. For example, inside the new capital will be urban transport. Connecting the new capital with the seaport will be container line, and connecting the new capital with, I think there is one another city, will be a high-speed transport. So this is real, where all land will be left for bicycles, but this transportation could be done. Please, madam. This is just visualization how it can be. Of course, low energy consumption. I explained you guys that this is the main idea, to consume less energy. No difference what petrol or electric, but to consume less energy. And last, blockchain. So that's why we are very much interested in cooperating with your other companies, because ticketing, financial, face recognition, all your
blockchain juga ya? Ada ya? So this is different. Blockchainnya ada.
Yeah, ada semua.
This is what can be
This is connected to your transport.
incorporated to the transport
It's
system.
not
Dedicated.
No.
Not
One more.
blockchain ya.
And this is, I want to say that this is the technology how to connect islands, for example, Sumatra Island and Java Island. And we have engineering for this. This is something that would be discussed with your scientists, with your technologies, with our technologies. And you know, in comparison to building bridge, for example, this will be times and times cheaper. And this is what we should think great.
Ini floating, Pak.
Yes, it's floating. It's not connected to the bottom.
Bagaimana bisa floating?
Menarik ini bisa floating.
Saya malah nggak tahu tadi bahwa itu floating.
Serius?
Ketika tadi dia present di sana, dia ngambil,
Kan saya tanya, ini floating ini
iya, Pak dia nanya baru saya,
floating. Berarti masih ilmunya untuk representatif harus ditingkatkan lagi.
Iya sih. Udah kalau masalah bicara floating, udah technical sipil, gue majuin Pak Dian aja depan. Gue support Pak Dian dari belakang.
Asal gue diajak ke Dubai.
Oke lah.
Dan ditemani Wendy, ditemani Ani, ditemani Diana, ditemani Wendy. Kalau nggak didampingi Pak Dian dari berangkat. Berarti Bapak udah bisa jinak. Oh iya loh. 7 soalnya. 4 ya? 4 maksimal 7 kan? Enggak. 7 maksimum 4. Jangan minimum 4. Soalnya 7. Kalau ini ya 2 lah. Maksimal 2.
I just propose to my team.
Yeah.
We set a team, a working team, so I can follow up from your presentation now, and then creating a plan for working together.
Okay. Set up the target.
Yeah.
And one by one.
Yeah, one by one, because you might need to send your team for doing a feasibility study.
We will discuss on
There are several options that you see, including the capital, the Jakarta, Bali, whatever, proposed here, and then by then we have a further discussion, and then as I said, once you decide on locations, and then we try to find partners also for you to work together here.
Yes.
Check the financial feasibility and the feasibility study you're doing, and then let's see. But I think because it's new for the country, we try to find not so much.
we need to start with small.
Start small.
I agree completely.
Think big, start
3-4 kilometers.
Yeah.
Start with small. But then we will discuss with Mr. Dian and other things
Yeah, Mr. Dian.
later, and we will identify what is the ideal project for the beginning. Because it should be small, it should be commercially feasible.
Yeah.
This is quite difficult with public transport, but we can find out.
Ya, gampang dekat-dekat sini. Kalau IKN kan belum ada demand trafficnya. Tapi around Jakarta, you find the demand already.
POC-nya bisa di Jakarta.
So
The main thing how much people are ready to pay for tickets. This is the issue.
yeah, that's why you have to study.
That is yes. So if
If
we
you put
find
it in the new
Capital, masih lama.
Nobody will pay for
Nobody people there.
No, that is why I tell them we have to work out the profile of project that we are
Exactly.
searching for.
Your technical visibility study,
Yeah.
the financial view, it should come from you. Because you are the one, and once you get, and then we collaborate with the government here, with the partners here, and then trying to find
Okay.
The local partner
local
with the support from ITS.
Yeah.
The cell working group is very important.
Yeah.
So we can start as a team.
Where,
Right?
where is your team? For sure, your team, some might be from Belarus, some from
Yeah, we are a very
And then
international
our
company.
team will be led by Pak Dian, Mr. Dian, who will try to also find resources from our side, but for sure it should start
Share
with
from
you.
our side.
Yeah.
But I think that on some stage even Dr. Unitsky will come when we are close.
Yeah, sure, sure.
He is decision maker.
One we find the project,
Yeah.
we will invite Dr. Unitsky to
Yes,
come
yes,
give a
yes.
lecture
Yeah.
to us.
We have to create the profile of the project, then we have to identify it, and then we will come to next step. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Because we have to rush now.
Yeah. I already prepared the transport.
Thank you, Mr. Dian.
Yeah.
We will stay in connection. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.